The worst thing that you can do before buying a headphone is not knowing their sound quality. So let's compare the Beoplay H100, the PX8 S2, the AirPods Max and the Sony XM6 with my binaural mic and find out which one sounds the best.
I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, the inner glow that let you know to call your brother son. The story that just begun, the promise of what's to come, and I'ma remain a soldier to the war.